Hello YouTube. How's it going, fellas, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Bill from Fishing Around Chicago, back on about today. I'm at the Fox River today, man. Over there's North Avenue, Prairie Street. I think it's Prairie Street here. That's Route 31, no, 25, right across that way. And behind me is a park. I think it's called Mt.St.Mary Park, I think. Something like that. Just got here, about to set up, got my 9-footer, 8-footer rod. I'm gonna cast it out that way. And see what we can catch. It's a beautiful day. Partly sunny, partly cloudy. Nice breeze, no humidity. Got night crawlers. Last time I was here, I caught some nice bass, nice smallmouth bass. Look, there's a ton of minnows here, man. Tons of minnows, crawling, cruising all over the place. I wish I had a trap. I catch some minnows, but they look kind of small. They look kind of small. See right there, tons of minnows. I think they're minnows. Less than an inch. All right, so let me cast my line, see what I can catch. All right. Oh, thank you for joining Jenny. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. 600. When I get 600, I'm gonna have a giveaway. I'm already at 550, I think. So 600, I have another giveaway. All right, fellas. So let me throw my line down.
Hey, check out this bird. You see that bird? He's going after the minnows. He just had one. He just ate one.
Got another one. Look at that. The fish is not the only thing it can eat. It has to eat. It's plucking like crazy, plucking them out of the water. Just sitting there waiting for them to come by. I don't know what kind of bird is that. Does anybody know? Ooh, there he goes. Got another one. Hunter at his best. I don't know what kind of bird is that. There he goes. Long neck. All right, I decided to move from over there to this spot. I'm trying to get close to the bridge where the slack water is at. The pilings where the slack water is, but I can't reach it. For some reason, I can't reach it. So let's see what happens. Oh, big hit. I hope something bites. If not, I'm gonna move again. We'll see. Here's an update, guys. Nothing. Not even a freaking nibble. Not even freaking nibble. Oh man. 2 hours already. Maybe 2.5. Nothing. Not even a nibble. So I'm thinking of go down river, where I usually have that nighttime fishing over there down that way. See how is it? Because this side is very shallow. So there's a dude walking on the water over there. He was walking way over here. He went up over here. It was not even deep. It's not even deep. So I don't know how deep it is over here. I don't think it's too deep. That's why there's no boat traffic here, because the water's shallow here. This you see is kayaks. Kayaks and canoes. So I'm gonna pack up and go down river. All right, before it gets too late. But before it's time for me to go. All right, I'll see you then. got bad news, fellas. They took my parking spots. They're doing something over here. What the hell? They're doing something. They're digging a big ass hole. Wow. I wonder how long that's gonna be. Oh well, you know what? I'm just might as well just go home, man. I'm getting tired. It's getting late. It's almost 4 o'clock. I gotta cool down, man. It's starting to warm up. All right, fellas. So this is Bill from Fishing Around Chicago. You can't win them all, man. I can't believe that. There's all kinds of fish in that river, and not one bite. Out of any type of fish. Can't believe it. All right. If I don't see you later, or I don't see you tomorrow, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We'll see you, fellas. Have a good week.